Within Remine, to connect a Facebook page, you come into Remine. On the left-hand side, click on Marketing. Click to Digital Marketing. You can come and review the pages you've already selected. And here is where you would also link a new page. You would continue to Facebook. The account owner is always your personal page. So you would go ahead and connect to your personal page, and that will allow you to select your business page. Once you go ahead and select your business page, then you will be able to go ahead and post to that. But remember that on Facebook, the original account for Facebook is always your personal page, and that's where a little bit of confusion does tie in. I'm hoping this helps. Hope the video and this short blurb made it a little easier. Thank you for being a Miami member.